How to generate text to image with AI. To create images from text, we will use the ideogram.ai website. You can also make images using ChatGPT, but I always prefer ideogram because it gives us better result and work faster. ChatGPT often takes longer and sometimes does not create the best result. First, type here carefully what kind of image you want to make. If you are not sure how to write a good prompt, you can use ChatGPT to help you. Go to ChatGPT and type create an image prompt. Then write here what kind of image you want. For example, I will write here an animated cartoon on the moon talking on a microphone. Press enter and ChatGPT will give you a nice prompt based on your idea. Copy that prompt and paste it into the ideogram.ai website. After you paste it, click generate. Wait a few moments and you will see the result. After that, you will get 4 images. If you want to make more images, just repeat the process. Go back to ChatGPT, type here create an image prompt, add your idea. Then copy the prompt, paste it into ideogram, click generate, then wait again. Finally, once you get the result, you can download your favorite images from here.